ready.
And a good afternoon to you all. So I'm going to label this my warranty replacement SENA 10C EVO version 2. This is the first video that I've shot with it. I didn't even turn it on at the house to see if it was lined up right. If you watch any of my videos from the last few weeks, month, they were done on a 10C EVO version 1. And I can tell you right now, the sound quality for listening to music, this headset I think is even better than my original 10C EVO version 2, and it is way better than the version 1. The version 1, I could barely hear my music with the high definition headset, and I did have it checked in the settings. If you're not familiar with the SENA cameras, they have an app for both your phone and your computer, so you can set up which headset you have. They have a setting for equalizer. You can set that also. But it's nice being able to actually hear my music with earplugs in. And yes, I did have to turn it down. So yeah, that's amazing right there. If you're wondering where we're at today, this is Fairview Road. Fairview runs from Marble, North Carolina to Andrews, North Carolina, and it parallels US 64. So if you don't want to go up the 4-lane to Andrews with everybody else and all the highway patrol, this is a great alternative. Do not vote for Dustin Smith. We need a new sheriff in town. That guy's already had his 4 years of fame, and he squandered it. If anything, yeah, he didn't do anything good for the county. If you're not going to enforce petty crimes, why enforce any crime at all? Anyway, back to Fairview Road. Fairview Road is it is the best alternative. Looks like they're getting a swimming pool. We'll find out, won't we? In the spring, when there's a big old house there sitting on a ginormous basement. Anyway, so Fairview Road is the best alternative to taking 64. There's another road on the other side of 64 called Airport Road. It is also good, but it's a little bit straighter than Fairview. If you enjoy making your bike go left and right, Fairview's the road for you. And Fairview dumps you off right in downtown Andrews. We're just about at Andrews now. haven't had rain in a long time. All these roads are dirty with gravel on them, where the locals drive off the edge of the road and kick gravel into the turns. And then there are all the black walnuts that fall out of the trees this time of year. This road coming up on the right will get you around Andrews if you don't want to go through downtown Andrews. This one where the stop sign is right there, that is Pisgah Road, and it takes you around the south side of Andrews, and typically there's absolutely no traffic on that road compared to all the traffic that we've seen and encountered on this road. We are officially in Andrews right now. Just, I know you guys were wondering. And why aren't those kids in school? That's why they're so dumb in these mountains. Instead of going to school, they're jumping around on a trampoline. Alright, so here's Andrews. I'm going to stop the video here. And hey, thanks for watching. If you wanted to see my SENA review, this is a 10C EVO version 2. See ya.